A message arrives about a man you used to know, sick now, asking to go, and something in you goes quiet. Most men take that news and just feel sad, then move on with the day, like the sadness was the whole event. But that's not what happened. What happened is your own body just got checked. The part of you that's been cooking your meals with intention, walking your kilometers, watching your blood work, that part heard the news and asked a different question. Not, is this sad? But am I doing the work? Am I actually building something with these days or just spending them? This is the smelting talking. Death near you is not a warning to fear. It's a measurement. It shows you exactly how much of your life is deliberate and how much is drifting. You don't need to carry his ending. You don't need to apologize for your own strength either. Let the news do its one job. Sharpen your attention on the only body and the only days that are actually yours. Then go finish cooking. Go finish building. That's the answer you already gave.